Here is a short video showing the integration between Siteimprove and Welcome. So we start within Siteimprove, and here you see clearly an overview screen which talks through all of the accessibility issues that have been raised through a site crawl, through an audit. At the top of the screen, you see the level A, AA, AAA compliance and the scores that are attributed to that particular site. If we scroll down, we can see how in this case we can improve that score and a number of issues that have been raised, the occurrences of those, and as you heard earlier, the points that you can gain by virtue of resolving those particular issues. If we click into an individual issue, you can see this one, the inline frame without a text alternative. We can see the conformance, so single A compliance, the points that can be gained, the number of pages with this issue, the occurrences. But below that, you can see a description of what it is and if you require more information about how to resolve that particular issue. Now, simply put, what we'll do with this integration is we will take the information that you're seeing here, all of those issues, we will synchronize those with Welcome as creating work requests. On the way, we will use both APIs. So taking the information from the Siteimprove API, logging in via OAuth to then create work requests by logging into Welcome's API. Now, what we'll do is we'll take all of those individual issues that you've seen already, and we're going to synchronize those across with Welcome. So we can log into sync the issues, they become work requests, and as you'll see very shortly, a confirmation message. Now, what has happened is those issues have appeared directly within our Welcome sandbox. And so you can see all of the issues you saw before. And if we click into that individual item that you saw that I clicked through inside Siteimprove, we can see all of the key metadata that's already been created. The brief, the Siteimprove URL to take us back to that issue within Siteimprove, the pages affected, the occurrences, but also some pre-filled metadata as well. So priorities, assignees, that kind of thing. And they can be obviously reassigned to the appropriate people as part of the workflow, accepting or declining the request, or even deleting the request should it have been raised in error. Now, to close off on this loop, we can, of course, move through our workflow within Welcome. I won't show that as part of this demo. What we can do is, if we wish, go back to Siteimprove to close that loop and get more information about the individual issue that needs to be resolved. Thank you for taking the time to watch this demonstration today. This integration will be improved and enhanced as time moves forward as part of our roadmap, but any questions that you have regarding how it works, or indeed particular use cases that you would like to discuss, please don't hesitate to get in touch.